Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Recently we had been to a resort in Wayanad. It is called the Arayal Resort on a vacation. All of us love vacations, and if your vacation is on a very beautiful spot where your view from your room is amazing, it makes the vacation even more memorable. This resort oversees the Banasura Dam, and you can see the greenery and hills and water bodies all around, and the view here is just fantastic. On the walk to the resort from the entrance is like this. They have two types of rooms, one in cottages like the one you see here, and the other one is on top of the on a first floor or a second floor where you get a very nice view. We chose the latter for obvious reasons. If one is to choose the cottages, you do not get a view from the room, you just have to oversee the garden which is outside the room. But when you choose on a higher floor, you will be able to see the lake and the surrounding hills and the scenic beauty around. The building which you are seeing houses those rooms with the view and the restaurant and the reception. There is a big urn placed at the entrance. The decor of the reception and the hotel is in line with the Kerala architecture. You can see lot of wood, lot of gold, and lot of lamps, brass items used in this. This is the restaurant. Now let's see the room. On entrance you have the washroom, the bathroom on the side. It has all good quality toiletries and clean towels. Lighting also is good. I have taken it during the night, so you can see it is a little darker. The room comes with a spacious bed, and you have home slippers, the tea and coffee provided here, electric kettle, a mirror or a dresser I can say. Water bottles were also provided, sanitized glass, a comb, and do not disturb board which you can hang if you do not want to be disturbed, and clean my room board. There is some storage place as well below, which can be used if required, and there is the mini bar which is empty. Storage space, you can see the dustbin also. Chair is also provided if you wish to sit down and get your makeup done. This is the wardrobe provided. It's made of wood completely. A telephone intercom is provided where you can call the restaurant, room service, housekeeping. TV is provided. We had chosen an extra bed. Now let's go to the balcony. It's night, so it's dark, so I'll give you the night view now. You can see the swimming pool illuminated. Night view is not much. The balcony is very big. You can chill and party on the balcony if required. This is the early morning view. You can see the hills, the water, the swimming pool. The view is just amazing. This is before sunrise. It's too cold here, so if you are planning to visit this place, ensure that you take your warm clothes along with you. It's not like unbearable cold, but it's cold being a hill station. This is the swimming pool. The swimming pool overlooks the lake, and very next to the swimming pool is a viewpoint which you can see. I'm going to take you there. You get a vantage point to have a look at the scenic beauty around from this viewpoint. This is again a view from the room. You can see the vantage point, the swimming pool and the viewpoint over there. I have not covered much of the view in this video. It's more to give an outlook of how the room looks and how the property looks. I'll prepare a separate video for you to have a look at the scenery of the place where we stayed in, the Arayal Resorts. Please stay connected and subscribe to my channel to view more videos from me.